This video is brought to you by Squarespace.
They're copying my art. Oh!
They keep copying my art.
Stop.
Copying my art.
I'm just playing. Here's what really happened. Okay, my boy Doug is the moderator over on my Patreon Discord. Each week there's like fun art challenges, and he put together this little draw this in your style challenge with one of my art pieces. And he was like, it might be fun if we open this up to the public, not just the patrons, but we'll throw it on Reddit. We'll throw it on Instagram. Let's let everyone participate in this cool community that we got going on over on Patreon. So my boy Doug chose this piece of art that I made. Now this piece of art appears on one of my t-shirts. It was one of the designs for my t-shirt of the month program over on my website. You can sign up to get a brand new mystery t-shirt every month. That's beside the point. It's called Power Glove, and he said, yo, draw this in your style, and we're about to look at some of you folks copying my art. Fully sanctioned copying of my art. I have not seen these submissions yet, but my boy Doug gathered them all up, threw them into this pretty little slideshow for me so I can just like ding, 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 and take a look at some of the awesome art that you guys made. So without further ado, let's jump into this thing. Ooh, this one's crazy. Really cool, bold graphic line work. I like your character style, definitely reminiscent of the original, but just tweaked it, made it more like edgy and powerful and liney and crazy. I love it. Ooh, this one's really cool. More cartoony than my original. The shading is sick. Looks like maybe some watercolor action. The cat is so cool. Really, really awesome line work. Really, really cool cartoon style. Is it cooler than mine? Maybe so. I love it. In their description, they said full watercolor and color pencils. Oh, this was cool. It's like Lego, Minecraft, Roblox, like robot 3D style. Really cool, super simplified. That's dope. Dang, I love that one. The helmet looks so cool. Look at the little hinges on the ears. That is so sick. Dang, you guys got some good submissions. Reddit user ArtsyGirl126. My 10-year-old daughter Ivy was super psyched about this. When I told her about it, she jumped right into it. Oh, 10 years old. Wow, that's super cool. They got a 10-year-old already doing some digital art. Love the shading. Super cool, kind of like bunny-headed rabbit creature thing. That little creature looks like maybe like a 1980s sidekick, like the little Snarf on Thundercats or whatever. I love it. Awesome job. LilyPad, it looks like the signature says. That's sick. Ooh, next one, we got a little black and white action. Went a little bit more towards the realistic face versus the strange alien faces that I create. I like the pattern in the background. Looks like my Moonwaves pattern that I do from time to time. Reddit user Brad_4D, same Instagram. For all these artists, their Instagram is gonna be appearing on screen, and I'm gonna try and put links to their Instagram down in the description. Some of you folks did not put your Instagram on your submission. I believe some of my team are trying to reach out to you folks to get the Instagram, but if your Instagram is not shouted out on the video or in the description, leave a comment below saying like, hey, that was my art at 2 minutes and 37 seconds, and we'll try and add that to the description. Trying to shout out artists here. That one's really cool, Brad. What the heck am I looking at here? Oh my goodness. It's the transposition of Tenhun's Power Glove into Lego art. There are more than 100,000 Lego pieces in this sketch. Wait a minute, is this made with real Legos or is this like digital Lego builder software? That's insane. Look at the close-up view. What? Good. I don't know what to say about this other than it's sick and it's awesome. Can you please print the instructions on how to make this with actual Legos? Because I want to build it. That's tight. Nice grayscale image. Kind of gives me like a futuristic alien space vibe a little bit. Went with drawing the full body, whereas in mine, it's only like the torso up. Really cool. Love it. Kit and caboodle. Wow. I love this pose. The little over the shoulder, like saucy, feisty look. You got a really solid understanding of how to draw a character. Really nice line art and just a really cool pose. Very kawaii. Love it. Oh, dang. Oh, dang. This is like one of the first people who did color, but didn't just stick with the orange and teal and just like went full color. We've had some black and white ones. We've had a lot of orange and teal ones, but the colors on this is sick. Who's this by? Mistress Mickey. This challenge was a lot of fun. Thanks, Tenhun. First time posting for a challenge. Big fan of Tenhun. Thank you for your vids. They always brighten my day. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Mistress Mickey. Your art is sick. Looks like you used markers, maybe some alcohol markers. Kind of turned the Power Glove into like almost an an infinity gauntlet with those different colored gemstones. That pink hoodie is popping. Super cool character style. Fire. Fire, fire. Got the YouTube logo and the 10 Hun logo. Story of my life. And this cat is dreaming of little fish bones. Whoa, the ears are see-through. I just noticed that. Sick. Dang, you guys are so talented. Not sure where we're at in the art submissions, but let me take a quick break to let you know that this video is brought to you by Squarespace. Listen, Squarespace is an all-in-one dynamic platform to help you build a beautiful website. If you're an artist, if you're a designer, if you make cool things, if you draw this in your style, you deserve to have a beautiful website where you can showcase your work. And it's really easy on Squarespace. You take your amazing content, drop it into their elegant, sleek, award-winning templates, and boom, you have a website. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need to be an HTML genius. It's really, really simple. But if you ever do run into any issues, they have 24/7 customer support. They can help you out if you get stuck. Like any kind of website you want to build, you can pretty much do it on Squarespace. I've been using Squarespace for years and years and years, and I've never thought to myself, gee, I wish Squarespace did this thing. Like they do everything. It's sick. So what are you waiting for? Go to squarespace.com to start your free trial. And when you're ready to launch your site, go to squarespace.com/1000 for 10% off the first purchase of a website or domain. Thank you, Squarespace, for sponsoring this video. Back to the art. Ellie rocks from Patreon. Very cool. I like the splatter backgrounds. The glasses on these draw this in your style recreations just keep getting bigger and bigger. Super sweet. Nice job, Ellie rocks. Oh, a couch. This one's going in a little bit of a different style. What if 1000's art was a couch? That is the idea that DigDug238 had, and I love it. That's sick. Whoa. Whoa. Dang. Insomniart NZ, New Zealand, I'm assuming. Here's a link to mine. It's completely made out of paper with each piece hand cut, shaped, and layered. Wow. Only 2 plasters required for fingers after this one. Oh, plasters is like Kiwi speak for Band-Aids, I guess. Which is pretty good considering it's all sharp blades and sharp paper. LOL, wow. All the paper cuts, dang, that's so cool. Look at the depth that it has. The side angle is so poppin'. Man, the amount of time they must have spent just like cutting and slicing and freaking razor blading. Even their signature, oh man, that's so dope. I'm impressed. Dang, they got the highlights and the shadows and everything all from paper. Super duper fire. What do I even say about this other than sick? Sick paper, yo. Oh, I saw this one on my Discord. Like, okay, so that's the character illustration, but I saw that the Salcom made this little animation too. Oh, fire, what? Play it again, play it again. Wow, that's so freaking cool. Man, he used to do some animations for my channel, but then he got way too cool for me. Freaking abandoned me. I hate you. Just kidding, you're awesome. That's so sick. Next one, Amnesiaducky, an attempt at the challenge. A person of few words. Very cool. What's that Pokemon called? Is that Psyduck? I think that's Psyduck. But that is really cool. Gosh, it doesn't look digital. It looks like hand done. Really cool kind of simplified, abstractified, duckified version of this. Anytime you can change something into a duck, you should change something into a duck. Awesome work. Whoa, dang. Evil cyborg, freaking super villain version of my art. The cat has become a fox. There's like a freaking hole in the chest of power, like Iron Man style. The power glove is fully robotic, and that background is sick. Hoppin'. Jay Clark. Alrighty, here's mine. Very well said. There is yours, and it's super duper cool. Ooh, dang. Man, I am so impressed by these submissions. Vertimus. I love this recreation. You got the cat. You got the orange hood. You got the power glove. That's freaking all you need. You got the big glasses, but you changed it from orange and teal to orange and purple. Saucy. I like that change. Really cool pose. Really cool art style. Sick line work. Sick shading. Sick composition. Vertimus. Killing the game. This one's super cool. Kind of reminds me of 90s cartoon vibes. Sleeping cat. Like the wobbly wobbly eyes on the smiley faces. Threw in some extra smiley faces there on the sleeve. This one's extra cool. I like it. Awesome work, Ray. Ooh, elephant. With the bing, Big old thumbs up. Apple on the chest, pizza on the sleeve. Whoa, the trunk becomes the arm? Whoa, bro, my mind is about to explode. This is from Pizza Bellies. Super cool. Love it. Artsy fartsy noob. Mine seems too close to the original, but it was my first time doing a draw this in your style challenge. Super cool. The little paint drips have turned into almost like octopus tentacles. Loving it, feeling it. Artsy fartsy noob. Brilliant. Ooh, this one's cool. Very textury. Change the colors up a little bit. That's awesome. I like how the head is like super squared out and the big like ear holes are like, everything's like exaggerated in this piece. I love it. The cat's eyes are so cute. This is from Allie. Considering bringing this into Photoshop to play with some extra texture. Extra texture? It's so textury. Just keep maximizing the texture though. That's what I say. But I should probably stop procrastinating on studying for midterms. Yeah, probably so. Awesome work, Allie. Looks sick. I like the upside down smiley face too. Flipping it. Frog Bandit. Finally, I had time to do a prompt. I made a video to go along with my entry. Watch the video I made here. Let me go get my headphones. Time to watch this thing. Headphones, I've got them. All right, Frog Bandit, plug that in. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Okay, she's looking at my art. Okay, sketching.
And just kind of redrawing 1000's image to begin with, just very small, very loose, before I go into action.
Oh, she's redrawn it again. Refining. No wonder she doesn't have time for my freaking art challenges. She's like going ham on this. Oh, sick.
Frog in Japanese.
Ooh, how dare you take my name off there. Lining it. Trying to figure out what kind of pen that is. Coloring. Oh, markers. Sweet. Yeah, that's awesome.
So did we find our style in this video? No, but I think we found elements that I'll continue to use.
Nice. See, that's what style is. You just keep building up, finding like individual elements that you're like, oh, I can implement this into my style in the future. You do that like 100 times, then all of a sudden you have your style. It's like, okay, this is cool. This is cool. I'm going to keep doing this. I'm not going to do this. And that's how you develop your style. So you're on it, Samantha. Let's take a look at the completed. Yeah.
Here's what the image looks like with the original 1000 colors. Let me know which version you prefer.
I like your version, Samantha. Cool. Sick. Awesome job. Okay, Murdy. That's cool. I like the side profile. I like the little, I think my original had like little rabbit ears, but you made the little stuffed animal thingy a rabbit, which is super cool. And this is a bit more of like a freaking warrior heading out on an epic adventure with the magical staff. A bit more subdued on the oranges. Fire. That's dope. Hex yeah, this one's awesome. It stays true to the original pretty well, but like just tweaked and looks really cool. I like the little eyelashes on the sleepy eye there, and the BB on the chest is really cool. Nice hatch work on the shading. Awesome. This pleases me. Whoa, that one's so, what? Look at the freaking little marshmallow thingies. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. Yes, and the flowers are really sick. The color scheme is really cool. Dang, this one's awesome. Final, looks like I missed a couple things. Oops, doesn't look like you missed anything to me. Oh man, those ribbons for the strings are really tight too. I like this one. This is a really cool character. Those marshmallows are my favorite thing on earth, and I love them so much. Ooh, this one's very painterly and soft. Ooh, I feel like they even use like some freaking tape on the hoodie graphics. There's some like textury depth to that I'm seeing, and they look shiny. My style is inspired by Greek sculptures and anime. Wow, that's a cool combination of two inspirations. Yeah, this is really cool. I love the shading style, super soft look. Instead of the drippiness, it's like waves, like they're in this kind of like green and blue sea of emotion. That's fire. Oh my, it's Doug. Okay, in space. I'm finished. Really cool. The power glove has become like a crazy power cannon. Went with the full body, the squatting pose, cool Chuck Taylors, futuristic Chuck Taylors. Clean lines, cool shading, cool pose, cool like pensive, scared look at what's going off in the distance. And the instigators have become like crystallified. They're not the round little bloobly ghosts that I usually draw. They're like pointy-headed, awesome people. Sick. Tukagan, this is my original character, all dressed up for the art challenge. That's cool. Man, I wish I could see your original character not all dressed up for the art challenge just to see how you freaked it, but that looks really awesome. Love the submission. Sick. Miss Frizzle. Oh my God, I finished mine. I didn't think I would. Ooh, cool alien. Cool like weird space dragon thing. Went with teal and magenta. flipping it. And this one looks like it's actually painted for realty. I love digital art. I make digital art all the time, but just that extra little step of like making an actual real physical piece of art with your hands, with paint, with real art supplies, takes a little bit more time to submit something like this, and I do appreciate that. I appreciate the digital stuff too. If I were to participate in this challenge, it would probably be digital. My original version was hand-drawn with ink on paper and then colored in Photoshop, if memory serves me correctly. But Miss Frizzle, I love your piece, and I love that it's a real piece of art too. Am I gonna get canceled for calling this a real piece of art and digital not real pieces of art? Leave it in, Nick. I'm ready for the onslaught. Digital art is real art too, guys. It is. I just mean physical art. Nica, hi, it's been a while. I just saw all this today and just whipped up this. Miss y'all. That's cool. Man, looks like kind of almost like a medieval version with the scaly chainmail type of armor going on there. That cat looks a little bit stressed out. Or maybe the cat's like, hey, everybody. Really cool. Just very different from the original, but very reminiscent as well. And I love the style. That's so sick. Dub, 10 bun, kind of like Sven Bun. That's a cool like jackalope kind of looking character. The cat has been flung from the arm out into space. Really cool. Oh, and I think that's it. Is that it? Hope I didn't miss anyone, or I hope Doug didn't miss anyone when he put together this little slideshow. Super cool work, everybody. Love it. I'm 1000. This has been really fun. We'll probably do some more of these in the future. You guys can jump on my Patreon if you want to get access to that private Discord server. The 1000 subreddit is also a place where things are going on, so you can check that out. Everybody go down to the description and make sure to check out some of these artists. Maybe give them a follow on Instagram. Thank you so much, all you guys, for submitting. This is really cool. Maybe you can give me a follow on Instagram while you're at it. I'm at 10hun. Holla at your boy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave a like on this video. And there's a whole bunch new merch over at 1000art.com. I got t-shirts and hoodies and long sleeves and prints and stickers and a bunch of sweet stuff over there. So give that a gander. There's a freaking card right there for it. Check out my website. It's cool. Thank you so much to my patrons. You guys are the coolest. I'm 1000. I love this stuff. I love the community. You guys are so creative and so talented, and it's really cool. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.